Hello guys, we have mobile here, Mobicel MX2 Plus, so we need to reset it. So I'm going to show you how to reset it or enter recovery mode if you want to do some repairing things. So first we need to hold the volume up, volume down and power button. So like this, with the buttons. Give it some time. Let's give it some time. Keep holding till the phone powers on. Yeah, as you can see, Mobicel logo. Release the power button, but keep holding the volume down key until you see an Android robot with no command. As you can see, there is an Android robot saying no command. So to bypass that, just hold the power button and click volume up once. Let's try again. Yeah, as you can see, here's the list of things. So from here you choose what you want to do. Reboot and fast boot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD, wipe data, factory reset if you want to clear data and remove password. But remember, there's FRP. If you do that, you need to enter your Google account to continue using your phone, otherwise it will lock again. And there's white cache if you are meeting some problems, like your phone is not working properly, maybe like it's stopping, apps are stopping frequently, like you need to force stop it. And then there's the recovery logs. That's where you see logs like this, the script here down, and run graphic test if you want to run the graphics of this phone to see if they are working properly, like color and some other things. Run local test. Local test is where it will run it will try to verify the files in the phone, and then there's power off. So from what you want, you can choose. For me, I'm just going to do web data factory reset. I'll select using the power button. I'll go factory reset and reset. So as you can see, my phone is not, I think there's a problem with it because the script thing comes with errors. So if your device is coming with errors like this, you need a firmware. Just make sure that you get the right firmware and flash it. So I'm going to power off my device because I think the job here is done. I need to find the firmware so that it can be fresh for the phone to work. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Peace.